Hey guys, SmallTownFlyer here and welcome to the channel. Taking a break from work for a few days, I had an excuse to pull the Cessna 182 out and log some time. Join me and my good friend on a flight around the patch as he experiences general aviation for the first time.
Zulu, weather, wind, 080 at 6, visibility.
I'm going to pull up the taxi tower diagram just so we have it, and we'll get going.
1000, temperature 31 Celsius, dew point 17 altitude.
Over traffic, Cessna 91121, taxi runway 10 Gil.
Density altitude 2,700.
So we're taking off at runway 3 from Galesburg. Yeah, so just make sure you stay clear of these controls. Actually, I might give you that. How's that?
Yeah, that's fine.
We'll get some airflow in here in a sec. The air conditioner only works when you're flying. Alright, we're on runway 3.
Alright.
Heading checks are good. Transponder's on altitude, altimeter is set, we're good to go. So I'm just slowly bringing the power up. I'm off the brakes at this point. Okay, we're at full power.
Yeah, can feel it starting to lift already.
Yeah, it's one to go already. Yep, this airplane loves to fly. We're already flying.
That took no time at all.
Yeah, oh, there goes the air conditioning.
Oh wow.
it's all like air driven. Flaps are coming up.
Oh, this is so cool. You just feel like a king up here.
It's awesome. Never gets old.
Is this feet? It says over 1,000 feet?
Yep. Yeah. Yep, that's the GPS altitude coming out of here. Yeah, it's actually smooth. This is great.
Downboard traffic, Aero 228, final runway 15 Davenport.
So a lot of these small airports, he's calling Davenport, they have a shared frequency. So,
okay.
So you can help me out by listening out if you hear Galesburg or Kiwani or somewhere where we're near. That's good awareness. Yeah, for some reason we're not picking up next rad right now. Don't know why. We should be able to get traffic on here though.
I see all the windmills again.
Yep. Alright, you want to give it a shot?
Sure.
Okay, yeah, put your feet on the pedals. Alright, yeah, just kind of, maybe let's just fly westerly for a little bit here just to get comfortable. Then we'll try some stuff.
Yeah, it's a little nerve-wracking.
Nah, I got you. You need sunglasses?
That might help.
Yeah, you want these? So let's go ahead and try a left turn.
Okay.
We're gonna head straight south.
The left pedal.
Yep, just a little left. Don't even need that much probably, just a touch. Then we're slowly gonna roll it in. It's gonna take just a little back pressure. That's a good angle right there. So now we're just doing small adjustments to try to hold this bank angle that we like. We don't want it to get any steeper, we don't want to get any shadow, we just kind of want to hold it right here.
Okay.
Then we're approaching south, so we'll start a roll out here. And as the airplane rolls out, it's going to want to try to regain that altitude that it tried to lose, so you just kind of got to be a little heavy on the down pressure. So we want to track straight south here. We'll just pick like one of these southerly roads, like one right in front of us. That's a good one to follow. Point our nose right towards the south. Did you see yourself drifting south, left of the line?
Drifting too far south?
So you're drifting left of our southerly road right there?
Oh yeah, now I see.
Yep. Okay. Very touchy.
It is, yeah. It's kind of. I couldn't tell that when you were doing it because you had it natural, and I didn't even know probably sometimes when you were putting in, out, left, right.
Yeah, it's constant little adjustments. That's good. You're at a good south heading right now. You're holding 3,500. This is perfect. This is level flight right here. Whatever this feels like to you, this is level flight. Not turning, not climbing, not descending. Yeah, this is perfect. Traffic Cessna 91121. We're going to overfly runway 03 and take a left downwind for 03 for Galesburg. So I'll put my first notch of flaps on. I'm starting to get the airplane configured for landing. Galesburg traffic Cessna 91121 is left downwind runway 03, touch and go, Galesburg. Carpeet's out. Fuel check's good, everything looks good. Speed is good, so we're starting to slow down now. I've got my first notch of flaps on. Helps me slow down, but it also gives me a steeper rate of descent. So we're a little high, but not too bad. Props going in. Landing lights are on. We're good to go. So at this point, I'm just kind of gazing out here. I don't want to make sure anybody else is also coming in to land at the same time.
Yeah, no surprises.
Yep, you'd hope they'd call you. Definitely have some wind here.
We're down.
We're down. Do one more.
down and up pretty quick.
Yep.
Definitely worth taking a day off for.
Yeah, good. But I love taking these. You did good.